Hi, today I'm making chicken fried rice. I like making this rice. It's actually something my mother used to make all the time, and so I really enjoy it. I use a cup of rice and three bouillon cubes. Remember, I use bouillon cubes because it adds flavor. And so it keeps me from over salting the rice with soy sauce. So you're going to prepare the rice as normal. You're just going to add the bouillon cubes to the water and let it cook as per directions, and set that aside while it's cooking and simmering. And I'm going to put my chop up my chicken, add my chopped garlic to it, and begin to saute that. You season to taste, and then I set that chicken aside while I check on the rice. Looks like the rice is done. I set the rice aside. Now, vegetables, you can use whatever vegetables you like. I have carrots, zucchini, bell pepper, basically whatever I have in the refrigerator. I had some peas and because I like that. And so I'm going to add all of those ingredients back and saute them. I do add an egg because I like that texture in the rice. I add my peas last because they don't need as much cooking. I add the rice back to the main dish and continue to stir and let the rice, just kind of cook down. I do add a teaspoon of soy sauce, and that's it. Sometimes I add a little red pepper for spice.